Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. Just a very quick update, please, because I missed the alarm clock this morning, so I have to hurry up a little bit. Still wanted to push out an ADA update, so we keep it brief. The next one will be a bit more detailed. From the low here yesterday, we talked about a 5-wave upcoming move, which happened. We talked here exactly here about an upcoming retracement into this area which happened, and the reversal from here then, which is taking place now. We can currently not count 5 waves up. We can't count 5 waves up, and that is just at the moment not great. We need to see a 5th wave. We also have not broken above the previous high. So this is now the next requirement that we need to do. If we don't do that, it would indicate that we're in something more bearish here. At the moment we can still expect that, and we would expect here, in case we have bottomed out here at the wave 2 low at 42.4 cents, we would now expect, and now I can actually calculate the target for the wave 3. This is what would need to happen in the most bullish scenario. Well, I would say at least a move to 47.8 cents, the 1-to-1 ratio. Normally you would say the 50 cent level in a wave 3. I mean, that might not go in one way. You have within this wave 3, you will have subwaves as well. But I mean, at least the 47.8 cent level, then we can be a bit more optimistic. If this is something more bearish, then of course we need to be on the lookout that if we undercut now those prices below the wave 2, which is here 43.9, then this could lead to a drop even below 42 cents. It would then be a more bearish wave count. In the very best case, in this scenario, because this is only a 3-wave move up at the moment, but again, it would just be very, very difficult to trade and to manage. And I mean, in the very best case, should we now go down and without a 5th wave up, and should we go below that wave 2 low here, then I would say this was probably just a wave A. We're now doing a wave B, and we will come down once more in a C. The problem with that is we already retraced basically to what we need to retrace to in the wave A. Yeah, Cardano has a bit more scope. The problem is Bitcoin doesn't really. So with ADA without a problem, I would say it could in a wave C even come down to that 78.6% fib level. It wouldn't be a problem for the chart. But the problem is, what does Bitcoin do then? Yeah, because I talked about the Bitcoin chart and raised my concerns this morning about that strong retracement and that more bearish possibilities are on the table. And here, without a 5th wave up, I have to be just on the lookout for, or still be on high alert for possibly lower prices. Yeah, this is also due to the fact that we had this strong retracement, really. Yeah, at the moment though, and if we go with a primary wave count here, we can currently still focus on higher. Yeah, we can focus on higher, and if we count it, and say, okay, this was maybe a wave 1, 2, maybe it's a short wave 3 and a short wave 4, but then we need a 5th wave. We need a 5th wave, okay? So as long as we are, and this is the short-term target, I gave you the key target here, which is the 43.9 cent level, but the short-term target to watch out for, short-term level, is here the 44.9 cent level. Because if this is a 1, 2, and you now come below that level, it can't be a 1-2 anymore. So going below that level is already a reason for short-term further lower prices. And then if we go below 43.9 cents, we could come without a problem to the 78.6% fib level. But if we lose that level, then I think we have something more bearish going on. Yeah. So that level would be the 43.2 cent level. I mentioned that yesterday, I think. 43.2, and then if we go lower than that and take out the 42 cent level, then we really have to scrap the bullish scenario. So at the moment, it's a key decision point here for ADA. ADA really needs to push. It definitely needs to push above this level here, above the previous swing high. Then at least we are following here a path where we can say, at least with some confidence, that we are doing the wave 3 here. This is the scenario that the bulls need to follow, ideally, to defend the bullish scenario. Okay, so this is what we need to do. These are the key levels, and we need to watch out for them. And we can focus on that wave 3 until we drop below 44.9 cent level. If we do that, certainly come down to the 43.9. If we lose that, I would say there's a really good chance we drop down to the 43.2 cent level, which is the 78.6% fib level. And if we lose that, then I think it's not a wave 2 anymore. Then we might do something more bearish and risk losing the 42 cent level. And if that happens, then we probably have to scrap the entire bullish scenario. And we'll also assume that we lose the 40.2 cent level and will then come down with a high likelihood to the 30 cent level. Now, all of that will happen in one go. And at the moment, we can't focus on higher because everything's actually going according to plan. But I want to make you aware of the different possibilities and want to just raise my, not concern, but yeah, maybe concern. Because in this move up so far, we could not push above the previous wave 1 high. And we're already seeing an engulfing red candle. So let's see how this is playing out. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.